I buy a lot of my stuff from OneAV. Reason because I buy from people, and OneAV just make things very, very simple for me. Very easy for me to tell them what my project requirements are. They would then specify what I need, sort out the best prices, tell me lead times. If I'm going to install and I've got any issues, we've got technical advice. I can ring them up late, they ship at last minute. They just make things easy. The benefit of having an easy distributor, it just aids your business. There's less for you to worry about. There's less for you to think about. They'll think about everything for you, especially with, you know, a lot of the stuff that we're doing with HD Anywhere. They're able to literally put packages together from video matrix to speakers, amplifiers, just all in one package and have it shipped out straight away. I'm buying a lot of the KEF speakers from them as well. Just the information alone on what speaker variant to put in what installation is just second to none. It makes my life easy. I can send them, this is what the client wants, this is the room size, that's what they're after, and they say, cool, you want this, there's your amp, done. Take my advice, make your life easy, and buy from OneAV.